If this warning just popped up on your dashboard, don't rush to the dealer yet. Because in many cases, it looks serious, but the fix can actually be very simple. And I'm going to show you the easiest things you can try first, before spending any money or using a scanner. So stay with me, because one of these steps often clears the warning completely. First thing, and this is the most important one. Turn the car off completely, lock it, and wait a few minutes. Then start it again slowly, and check the dashboard. You'd be surprised, a lot of times, the warning is just a temporary glitch, and it disappears right there. If it's still there, don't panic yet. Now think about the 12-volt battery. If it's even a little weak, the hybrid system can get confused, and show this warning for no real damage. Especially if the car was jump-started, or sitting for a while, this happens a lot. Now here's something most people ignore. Take a quick walk around the car, and check for anything blocking air vents, especially near the rear area. The hybrid battery needs airflow, and if it can't breathe properly, the system may trigger a warning. And here's another simple trick. Turn everything off, AC, lights, radio, everything. Then restart the car clean, with nothing running, just the engine system itself. If it starts normally, take it for a short calm drive. Sometimes, just driving a few minutes is enough for the system to reset itself. But if the car is still driving fine, and the message is still there, try one more full shutdown, this time leave it off a bit longer, around 10 minutes. Because sometimes, the system just needs a deeper reset to settle. And here's the truth. In many cases, one of these simple steps clears the warning, without any tools, and without a scanner. But if none of it works, then yes, it needs a proper check. If the warning is still on after all these steps, comment your car's year, make, model, and what symptoms you're noticing. I'll try to help you figure it out, and point you in the right direction.